Hello everybody, this is going to be a nice little short one this morning. I've got the washing machine on, you can probably hear it in the background. Do apologise, but I've got to get some washing done. So I thought I'd do today some jam on toast and some marmalade on toast. Which one's your favourite? Which one do you like? I like jam. I do like a bit of marmalade occasionally, but I do like a jam on toast. So let's do a couple of jam on toast and marmalade on toast and we'll have a look, eh? Right, we're going to get some toast in the toaster. I like a bit of a crust, me. We'll get some toast in. Boom. I'm only using the Aldi Toasty Toast. There. I got that from Tesco. I can't remember how much it was now, I've had it a few weeks. I haven't even opened it. And that's just the Aldi basic one. You can buy different jams and better jams, can't you? But that does us. And also, with me jam and me marmalade, I like a bit of butter on my toast. Do you like butter on yours, or margarine, or whatever you want to call it? I do. I like my toast a little bit burnt, as they say. And I like butter and jam and butter and marmalade. What about you? Do you like butter on yours, or do you think it's disgusting? Anyway, we will wait for the toast to do, and then we'll butter it and we'll put some on. Toast is done. Oh yes, oh yes. Right, what I thought I'd do, bring you around so you can see you a bit. I'm going to cut them in half like that. And I'll do one side buttered and one side not. I'm not going to do extra bread because I ain't going to eat all that. You know what I mean? So I'll cut them in half. Bit of butter on the one side, on each. Loads of butter you want. Loads of butter. Like so. Yes, yes. I'll get a clean knife. Oh, shouldn't have done that. I'll use that for the other one. We'll get this basic jam. There it is there. More like a jelly. Do it on the normal one. Can't have loads of jam on it. Oh, what have I done? What have I done? Get on there. Turn it round. Get on there. There you go. One butter jam lot. I just threw that other knife in there. Oh dearie me. It's all very wrong. It's all very wrong. Don't want to get butter on this one, do I? Now, so it doesn't like that butter one look better already, look. Looks better than it with the butter. Clean the knife. Now on to the marmalade. The marmalade one. One without butter. And one with. Got your orange peel in there, which is nice. There we go. So, what is your go-to? Marmalade or jam? Or marmalade and butter? Or jam and butter? So have a normal marmalade first. Washing machine. That's why I put one also on a little bit dry without the butter. All the marge, because some people say that's not butter. Whatever you call it. Now, without the butter, I prefer marmalade. I think it tastes a bit better. Obviously with a jam, it's rubbish jam, innit? So let's go on to with the butter. That's what you want. That's what you want. Mixed in, all that gooiness. Nice. Very nice, actually. Now the jam and butter, my favourite. Not there. That's bang on. See, that likes jam without butter. I love it with butter. I think that's bang on with butter. So, there you go. All in all, I'd have marmalade without butter. And I'd have jam with butter. I mean, marmalade with butter is lovely. Sorry, say that again. I'd have jam with butter. I'd also have marmalade with butter. But out of the non-buttered ones, I'd have marmalade instead of jam. If you get what I mean. Anyway, just some stupid one. Doing some washing. Don't forget it's takeaway Wednesday today. Should go up about 7 tonight, hopefully. Everything just to plan. Fingers crossed. See you later. Bye bye. Let me know. What's your favourite? Obviously, there's different jams and different marmalades, isn't there? Well, let me know which one's your favourite, marmalade or jam.